What's up, guys? Welcome back to CountyLine TV. Don't forget, if you subscribe, you're automatically entered to win a drift car. We're giving away a BMW 318 Ti. I'll link the video about that right here, and all you got to do is click subscribe. There's probably an icon right there you can subscribe with. But anyway, today we are going to be working on the Corvette, maybe the trailer, maybe the truck. I don't know. I got a lot to do in preparation for the drift event this weekend. My trailer has a flat tire. It also has a bad hub, but I don't know when I'll be able to get to that because I got a lot of things going on, but I really do need to address that before I take it on any like long hauls. Luckily, this drift event this weekend's like 45-50 minutes away, so it's not a big deal. Might become a big deal, but it's not right now. I do have to put a spare on there though, because conveniently the tire with the bad, or the hub that's bad has a tire that's bad on it. Words are hard. First thing I'm going to do though is change the oil and do a nut and bolt check on the Corvette, because I just got to get that part done, and then probably change the oil on my wife's car too, because I got to do that too. But then I'm going to probably work on the trailer, so we'll see underneath the Corvette.
My ass fucking jumped.
Alright, that was actually my first time changing the oil on the Corvette, and I didn't realize that like the drain plug's on the front of the sump of the oil pan. So it'll be much nicer once we get that lift here in a couple weeks to have the car level to drain the oil, because we had to do some fancy stuff. But whatever. Now I'm going to change the oil on my wife's car again. You guys have seen that before. I'm not going to record it. Then we'll get to some other stuff. Like I got to polish the beads on those stock Corvette wheels and change the wheel on my trailer and yada yada yada, but we'll get there. I gotta change this oil real quick. Forgive me for the wind noise. I know it's windy out. It's become oh so apparent how bad that hub is. She's pretty bent. I think you can tell right in there that it is just the hub. It's not the axle, thank God. But she's messed up. Can't figure out why, but this tire is a little taller than that last one. I'm gonna shove some air in this and try to find out where that plug is or isn't. I'm honestly thinking it might have come out because I couldn't see it. Yep, plug came out. Well, guess I'll have to plug it again. A bit of a pro tip, this style of air chuck is that if you leave the hose off of it, it'll help you evacuate the air pretty fast. Just about as fast as taking the valve core out altogether. So I'll get back to you when we don't have air left in here. Alright, we got pretty much all the air out. I'm gonna pan you guys down a little bit. I've got my plug kit ready to go here. This is something that the plug kit I bought on the road didn't have. It was one of these reamer johnnies. So this will probably make it adhere a lot better this time. But ream it on out. This guy, what I was just shoving in there, sort of helps rough up the hole. That way the rubber cement and everything has something to hang on to. And then I'll grab my plug here, my plug insertion tool, which this is also a lot better than what came in that gas station kit that I bought whenever I blew that tire on the road. There was I don't think I included any of that footage from that road trip to Bloomington, but I probably should have, because now you guys are like, when did you blow a trailer tire? These are sometimes hard to get in here, obviously. There we go. We're in business now. And then take some regular rubber cement, like every plug kit comes with. Sort of douse this bad. I use this stuff. Ooh. Is this dried up? Oh, there it is. I use this stuff kind of heavily because I do. I think the more the merrier. Then you take that guy and you shove it in your hole that you just reamed out. Get her on in there. And then you want to pull out as fast as you can. And she's plugged. I got some rubber cement dripping. But anyway, that's how I plug tires. Just like everybody else does. And unlike last time when I plugged it at the gas station and had to immediately put 50 pounds of air in it and drive on it, this time I'm actually going to let that sit overnight. And then I'll trim it and I'll put air in it and I'll throw this in the truck as my spare. And I will order another tire also. Not that you guys care about that sort of specific stuff. But anyway, on to the next project. My Corvette wheels. They don't hold air no matter what tires I put on them. So I'm going to bust those tires off and then put them on the car with no tires and spin them and wire wheel the beads because the beads look awful. So let's get to that. I couldn't imagine why these beads don't ever seal. Yeah. Do you guys work on trailers or just RVs and campers?
We work on trailers.
Okay, I got a shot hub. Well, that's going to be all we have for today. I just put the regular wheel back on that's always on the car. I am going to mount some more wheel or tires onto my stock Corvette wheels now that I ripped all the chrome off of them. Hope they seat up. I'm gonna put a bunch of tire sealer on there too, some bead sealer. But anyway, next thing you guys are gonna see is gonna be loading up the car and going drifting again. So I'm really excited. I think we're gonna be drifting basically the same thing you guys saw me drifting last time, that same like layout over there, just with some more barriers and stuff. But hope you're looking forward to the next video. I know I'm looking forward to living it. So click on this video here or this playlist here, subscribe over here, tell your mom to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.
Just for reference, film how far that jug made it. When strippers with no titties throw jugs farther than that.
It was just for the theatrics. It wasn't to get it anywhere.